actually enter from here, you're out there. You can enter from here, you're out here. You enter from here, you're out there. You enter from here, you're out there. And you enter from here, you're out there. Guys, I'm going to show you this strategy that made me about 100 USD on one position. I mean 100 USD per day you can make with this strategy. 100 USD per day. It's a scalping strategy. Is a very accurate scalping strategy, guys. I believe, like I always say, the problem that a lot of traders have is not necessarily in terms of executing the trades, but the biggest problem that I've noticed is that people have small amount of money in order for them to execute any sensible trade in terms of a long trade. So it requires somebody to help them to actually gain a capital base that is at least substantial in order for them to actually make money in the financial market. So further ado, the master trader himself here going to walk you through step by step on how you can set this strategy and yield a lot of money from this strategy. So let me just show you on what we're going to actually do. Like it will look exactly the way it is looking right now, but I'm going to walk you through how you can set it to look the way it is looking, and I'm going to explain to you how you enter and how you execute your trades and how you leave your trades. So that's the thing. So we're going to come here on the F and we're going to delete everything. So we're going to use the envelopes and also a moving average. So that's the thing. So I'm going to delete. I'm going to come here and actually delete that and delete that. So it will be blank just like this. First and foremost, guys, for you to make money with this strategy I'm showing you, you need to understand one thing: the trend of the market. Like we always say, guys, trend together with the market, the trend of the market. Don't trade against the trend of the market. But how are we going to know the trend of the market if at all we are in the 1 minute time frame? That's a main reason to why the first indicator that you need to be mindful of is the moving average. The moving average. So we're going to come on indicator window there. You click here. If you don't know where you find your indicators, you come here, main window there on the plus, you click there, you come on moving average. We're going to have a moving average of 60 that will show us the direction overall trend of the market, and we're going to have it having a period of 60, shift to zero, method exponential, apply to close, and the levels not important. This tau here, I want you to be black. Use the same colors I'm using, guys, so that you cannot be confused on how the strategy is working. So you click there. So basically, when it comes to the 1 minute time frame, guys, you can know the direction of the trend using your 1 minute time frame. You're going to come here and change it maybe to 15 minutes, so it will show us an overall trend. So if this black line is under the market or beneath the chart, we know that it's in an uptrend. You see, right? So we are only catching buy trades, and if we see this being above, like it was above the market like this, we know to say that it's in a downtrend. So we are doing what? We are catching sell trades. So that's a thing by now, guys. I don't know what a lot of you are waiting for to join the Telegram channel, because in a Telegram channel we post each and every day strategies, and each and every day we post signals. Each and every day, the same signals that I'm entering wrong trades, I post them on that particular channel each and every day. We don't charge for signals. We make money in the financial market. Why charging for signals? So we give free signals each and every day, guys. Each and every day we give free signals. So ensure that you join the channel so that you can actually be getting free signals. With that said, let's get back. So we are actually not using a 15 minutes time frame. We are using a 1 minute time frame for this particular strategy, but we need to know the overall trend of the market, and in this case we have already seen that the market is going in an uptrend. So that's the thing. The second indicator you would want to put in, you come on there, you come on the main window there, and the second one is envelopes. You click there. For this one, guys, I want you to put exactly the same things that I've put. On the period, it will be 14, shift it will be 0, deviation it will be 0.100. Method we are applying, method we are using simple. Applying to, we are applying to close. The levels doesn't matter. The most important thing that you have to know is when it comes to the style, which is the upper band, it will be blue, and the lower band would be that color, which is orange. Yes, so use the same colors that I've used, and you're going to click there, and by now I believe this is now even self-explanatory. It will look something like that. So don't really worry so much about the black one, because the black one is only here for us to know the actual direction of the market. Like I explained, you go on a higher time frame in order for you to know the actual direction of the market. By now, guys, I don't know for you guys what it takes from you, but I think it doesn't take anything from anyone to subscribe to the channel. So just subscribe to the channel, hit that icon bell so that you can be notified each and every day I drop an interesting video like this one. Like the video so that it can reach to as many people as it can reach out to that need help like you to raise that small amount of money into something that is substantial, and the likes. And check out the description box, it has so many interesting things that will help you maximize your profits in the financial market and help you come to that profitable position where you become very, very profitable. I hope you do that exactly. Yeah, so that's the thing. So here the explanation is this, guys. I want you to get the explanation. This is a moment that you've been waiting for, and I want you to actually get this explanation, guys. So that's the thing. So what we are trying to do with this strategy, guys, is actually not catching the spikes. We are not catching the spikes, but we are trading against the spikes, guys. So I want you to take note. Each and every time the market spikes out of this envelope line, which is a blue one, what you are going to do is you wait for the market to close this blue line again. The moment the market closes, you are only going to enter the market when you see this candle. The first candle has been fully formed, the second candle has been fully formed. So you're entering the market from here, and you're going to go with the market until you see it approaching this other yellow line, or with this orange line there. So you're going to enter from here and you're going to come out from there. So that's the thing, guys. You're entering from there and you're going to come out from there. To some extent, if you want, you can use this black line to actually exit the market. You can use it to actually exit the market, but here we are only catching trades, guys. We are only catching trades when they are in a downtrend. If you're on a boom, you're only catching trades when they are in a downtrend. So this will same apply when it spikes out of the market. You enter from there and you run with it, you are out there. Or you can actually wait for it to nearly approach there. Again, same applies. It closes, you enter from there, you enter from there, and you are out from there. So it's a scalping method, guys, which simply means somebody can start with the 5 USD, enter from there, you scalp until you reach the black line, you're out. Again, you can enter from there, you just wait for this candle to completely close, you enter with that candle, you scalp, you're out there, guys. Again, you enter from there, you are out from there. So that's how it's working. You can enter from there, you are out from there. I don't know if you're seeing this, guys. I don't know if you're really seeing this. You can backtest it, use a demo. If you are just getting started, use a demo and ensure that you follow you follow the trend of the market. You follow the exact trend of the market. So for a boom, you are actually selling. For a crash, you are actually buying. You're trading against the trend, against the spikes. So that's the thing. So it's a scalping method that can yield you some money, but backtest it when it comes to your demo account. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I love you so much. See you in the next video.